Hello and welcome to this tutorial that will show you how to use a pen. I'm in quite an uncomfortable position, I don't like this. How to use a pen. Many of us have seen a pen before, possibly in the movies or a pen museum. But what is it used for? What purpose could they possibly have? Well, I'm about to show you. This is what a pen looks like in real life. Let me describe the pen. It has blue at the top here, and if we move lower down, it has orange here. If you notice, you'll see it is in the shape of a pen, and that completes the description of the pen. Let's move on to the uses of the pen. The pen has many uses. It can be used for this. You can even throw the pen in this direction, or this direction. The issue is that you'll have to pick up the pen each time you throw it, and that is a major disadvantage to the use of the pen, in my opinion. Now with the next use of the pen, you'll notice that there is this lid thing on it. It is important to remove this pen lid because it is a choking hazard, so please be extremely careful. I would advise throwing the lid as far as you possibly can to avoid it landing in your throat and getting lodged there. Now that the lid is gone, you are safely left with the remaining part of the pen. Here you have a few options for using the pen. You can try using the pen as an aeroplane. That is good for any potential pilots that are looking to fly an aeroplane as a profession. I'll just show you how to fly the pen correctly. Meow, 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 meow. As you can see, I don't tend to use the pen that often as an aeroplane. I am trying to get a pilot license, but I'm not quite good at flying the pen, so I don't think that will translate very well to flying an aeroplane just yet. Give it a few more practices, I think, and I should get there. Alternatively, the pen can be used as a tool. At the end of the pen, you'll notice that it is quite sharp. Ow! And because of its extreme sharpness, it can be used to punch holes through objects. Here I have this reinforced tissue. Look how the pen can be used to drive a gaping hole through the tissue. Just forcing a hole through it using the pen. Do you see? I think there's a hole. There's a little hole here. I'll just make the hole a bit bigger, so just to see it more clearly. There, you can clearly see. Just move it a bit closer to the camera so you can see. There's a bit of a hole. There's a bit of a hole here. A bit of a hole. Do you see that? That's just from using this. I was barely applying any pressure. A bit of pressure. My arm's tired, but I made a hole. I can still make holes. You should be able to do that as well by using the pen. And that covers every possible use of the pen that you could ever need. I hope now that you can go out in the world and get yourself your very own pilot's license as a result of this tutorial. I'm going to go and continue my training, so I'll catch you all later. Goodbye everybody. Oh, not again. Why do the pens keep falling on the ground? I've just made the most incredible scientific discovery. You see this pen? At the top here, some goo comes out of it. I'll prove it to you. Just taking the tissue. Oh, it's not working at the moment. Let's try again. Do you see? It's proof. Right there. There's a bit of goo that's just come out, that's just leaked out of this pen. This could be the greatest scientific discovery the world has ever known. So this thing can also be used as like some sort of writing or drawing implement. Who would have thought it? This is incredible. I'm going to continue my research and see if there's anything else that this incredible device can do. Does it? It's doing it again. It's doing some more, leaking some more of the goo. That's amazing.